Hi, this is John with WATI, and I definitely take care a lot of my vocal hygiene and my breath and my smell. Going out of home, getting out of home without maybe having a mouthwash, it's a bit complicated because you don't want to speak too much. But this is where this Listerine Cool Mint comes into place. And one of the things that I like the most about this Cool Mint is easy feeling on your mouth. Sometimes mouthwash will be too hard on your mouth. It has too much alcohol, and these guys have already had like a perfect balance into it, and it's actually helping you to be more comfortable, to speak to more people, and to feel like your vocal hygiene is just in place in the right time always. I sometimes actually get like little decanters and I spray them on my mouth after any other meal if I'm out of home. And this actually does a great job. This was John, the WTI, and that was my point of view.